for you.
With that? On top of your head? You're cuter than me with that? With this on the top of her head?
Yeah, I mean, I was just about to say, you know what I'm saying?
I can feel it.
Oh!
Rest is cuter than his.
Ooh.
You want to see?
You should go
Man,
buy another one.
That's not a roast,
You
Kelly.
can't buy hair.
Not a roast, Kelly. You can't buy hair.
That's not a roast. Nobody gives a fuck about your damn neck, Chris.
You can't buy a natural hair.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That nigga ruthless.